Omit Blank Page is an intelligent and environmentally friendly feature that allows you to remove all blank pages of copy jobs. This feature is also available when scanning documents to remove unnecessary blank pages and reduce scan file sizes. Perform the following steps to remove blank pages from a copy job. Note, this function may not properly detect blank sheets included in half-tone originals or originals, including sheets that are almost blank. For example, blank pages having only page numbers. If you copy two-sided originals, including blank sheets to two-sided copy, while this function is enabled, the front and back sides of the originals and the copies will not be matched. Place the original. Press Copy. Press the Edit tab. Scroll to the next screen using the arrow down function and then select Omit Blank Page. Press OK. This will set the Omit Blank Page function. Select other copy modes as desired on the basic screen. Press Start. Scanning and copying will start. A message notifying you of the number of omitted blank pages appears for approximately 5 seconds.